Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am so excited that you are here to learn more about knitting and my knitting designs. Here on YouTube I have knitting tutorials primarily focused on beginner techniques, so you can learn all about how to perform any of the techniques that are in any of my design patterns. So in my designs I link to these tutorials, but of course they're available on YouTube, so even if you're not working from one of my patterns, you can use these video tutorials to assist you in your knitting adventures. I also offer some knitting design overview videos here on YouTube. So these videos are about patterns that I have released personally, and I'll walk you through all of the information about the pattern. So I'll talk about the inspiration behind the design, what the stitches in the design mean. A lot of times I have a lot of symbolism wrapped into my designs, so I'll tell you what each section symbolizes, what the stitches symbolize. I'll also talk about the different techniques that I use in the pattern, so you'll have an idea of how comfortable you are with the techniques before you actually purchase the pattern. I also go over the yarns that I use in my pattern designs, and then I'll also link to all of my blog posts regarding that pattern design. So with each of my patterns, I provide a blog post, again about the behind the design, behind the scenes information, but also about the yarn that I use, different color suggestions that I have using that yarn, but also yarn alternatives. So if you're looking for a different yarn that maybe would be more accessible to you, whether it's price, whether it's location, whether it's fiber content, I try to provide a variety of alternative yarn suggestions within my pattern, for my pattern on my blogs. So all of that information is all included in these design videos that I have available. Of course, on those design videos I also show you exactly where you can purchase my patterns. Currently those are available on Ravelry, Lovecrafts, and Payhip. If you have any questions at all while you're on the YouTube channel here, of course, leave a comment down below on any of the videos and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you appreciate and enjoy this little community that we've created here on YouTube. I look forward to getting to know you more. If you are looking for me further on the internet, you can find me on Instagram at Snickerdoodle Knits. On Facebook I have a Snickerdoodle Knits page, and then www.snickerdoodleknits.com is my website. On the website I host all of the information about everything that I'm working on, so then of course you can find all of the links to my patterns, all of the places you can purchase it, and everything like that. So I hope that you find this channel informative and inspirational in your knitting journey. I look forward to seeing you around. Happy knitting!